Alright. Putting some hydraulic brakes on here. These are the JuinTech table pull. So that way when I put the electric motor to hit the brakes and it'll cut off the motor. And I happen to notice my derailleur gears are broken. And yeah, well, I gotta put these things on my head with my glasses just to see. And both of the gears are cracked all the way through. Hard to see, but yeah, you can see daylight right through there. Even on the bottom and top, both of them. Nothing surprises me anymore. I was hoping they would have kind of checked and made sure that everything was good, but for the most part, so far. But yeah, I'm liking these brakes. Gotta be able to stop. Yeah. I wish I could use these forks because these are nice forks, but the gap is not big enough. I'd have to file 1 millimeter off of each side to fit my axle in here. Whereas I figured because this is a 30 millimeter stanchion and my other one is 30 millimeter also, and it fits in there perfect. And I hate to have to file it down like I did with the other ones, and they broke two of them. Two forks I broke with that motor, but now I got the torque arm attached to the fork, so. But still, I don't want to go messing around, filing stuff down, especially with, whatever. The rhythm is something divine.